Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Karina Benaduk and this is week 6 of the renovation vlog.
Wish we could fly away, you and I, go to our favorite place. Oh yeah.
This is take 2 of this week's renovation vlog because I feel like I didn't transpose what I wanted to the first time around. I just want to say that if something could have gone wrong this week, it has. The first thing that happened was that my plumber got in a car accident and his car is totaled. He's fine, but he's in a lot of pain and he hasn't worked, I don't know how many days, honestly. And my bathrooms are nowhere near a good point, I guess, to, have a bathroom when I move in 12 days. Then I got doors delivered and my door for my spare bathroom is only 24 inches, which is a closet size door. But a regular human being still can fit through it, and I just didn't have the space for a bigger door. But they delivered a 28-inch door, so now I have to have them come back and take this door and bring me a new door, which is going to happen on Monday. I had the shed delivered finally, but I still don't have a key for it, and they hit the side of my roof and the roof of the shed, which I will take you to show you. But I just want to say, if something could have gone wrong, it has. It also started raining a lot, and I didn't have any damage or anything, but I just didn't realize how much water the backyard can hold. And I have this ditch that got full of water, which I'll probably show you some pictures of right now. And then I painted for 3 or 4 days, and I just went on that tour inside to show you guys, and I saw a lot of patches that need to be touched up, or possibly I have to do a whole new coat on everything. And it's just so much. I have to be moved in here in 12 days. Mid-renovation blues is a thing, and I just, I don't want to say that I can't see the light of the end of the tunnel right now. I just want to say that I was a little bit discouraged painting in here by myself, like 10, 12 hours a day, like all these days. And it's okay. I know I will move in here if I have to leave in a dusty work. I don't even know. I'm thinking of the Romanian word for it. Just in a mess. That's fine. It happens, and I have a house, and I'm lucky, and everything is gonna be okay. And when it's gonna be all over, I will be really happy for it. But right now, I just feel like it's never ending. So I will take you on the tour now, and it's probably gonna be a little bit more brief than it was the first time around. Let's go. Alrighty, so they hit right here. It's not a horrible hit, but my house did not look like this, so I'm not with it really. And then let's go to the shed. It looks really pretty. I do want to paint it to match my house, but let me show you the damage. Which you're gonna be like, Karina, that's barely even any damage. But you know what? I bought something new and I wanted it to be nice, so it's dent over there. And then where they said that it broke when they tried to bring it the first time is right here. So it doesn't look like anything happened, right, from this side, but when you go inside, you see right here how it was fixed. And, I wouldn't care, but I did buy a brand new shed for a reason, and I paid a lot of money on it. So this is how it's supposed to look like, and this is how mine looks like. If you put your hand in here, there's just like a tiny little gap. It's not that big, but still, I need this to be fixed properly. So let's just go inside and I will show you what happened in there. Okay, like always, we're starting at the front door, and everything looks different in here because I moved everything in the kitchen, so now all the mess is in there. I do have things that I want to put in the shed because I'm trying to do flooring here today, but this is the door, not the right size, and I do want to show you right here. This is where it's gonna go. I have a 26 and a half inch opening because I thought there is such thing as a 26-inch door, and there's not. And I will show you right here. Okay, this is a 24 inch. And see, I fit through it just right. So it's gonna be okay. That's the linen closet door, but that's a 24 inch. So I think it's gonna be okay. I'm not panicking. I did in the beginning a little bit. So here, the ceilings are wide. The walls are wide, and you will say, Karina, but why is everything so wide? It's because I will decorate with colors, so everything will be falling in together nicely. Here as well, I had to patch up some more to make it even, because once it was painted, it looked really bad. And then what I was talking about, you can still see some lines and patches in there. So I'm not sure if I can touch it up or have to paint another coat. But if I have to paint another coat, I will be extremely sad. So here I have my countertop. It's still in the cardboard, and then I have some drywall for some patching up I need to do. And here the wash and dry hookup were too high, were at the same level as my faucet, so now it's gonna, he put it lower and I'll have to patch up in there. I did do only one coat in here, and honestly I'm not mad, so we'll see how it goes. And then in here, oh yeah, so this is the living room, how it looks now. It looks way more open. I did paint the doorbell color, like spray painted it white just to give it a fresh new look. And then in this room, nothing changed, it's still the storage unit. I did paint white, and see, I need to touch up over there, and then some on this wall. We'll see if touching up will do, or if I have to paint again. Same thing in here, painted white. I do definitely have to paint again in the closet because you can still see where I patched up. That is only the primer, and I thought I could get away with just doing the one coat, but obviously I can't. And I know it is the closet, but I do care about how it looks like. And then here I had to patch up with mud a little bit more. And I had to patch up on the inside too. I did put these plastic covers on just to keep the dust in there because the bathrooms, again, are definitely nowhere near finished. I still have to sand a little bit on the ceiling. They're not much, just a little bit. And then I have to patch up there and here. So yeah, now I just realized that I haven't shown you the spare bathroom, so let's go in there. The spare bathroom, I did put a plastic cover here as well, and then I patched up that wall that still needs, the mud was really thick, so I'm not sure. Yeah, it still needs to dry a little bit. And then on the bottom as well, and I still have to patch up over there. So yeah, I'm still waiting for all of this to be taken care of. That was it for this week's update. I know I didn't sound very hopeful in the beginning. I know everything is fine and everything will work out. It's just a lot of work and, you know, very little sleep and a lot of stress. So it all piles up, but everything is okay. And you also know that meme with like, when everything's on fire, and yeah, I'm gonna try to find it and put it on here. Everything's fine. Yeah, so make sure to follow me on Instagram at Karina Beneduk. I post throughout the week. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next Saturday. Things like that because, oh, I forgot to say my name. So I am not gonna be set up real fancy. I don't know why I did that. Fancy. Ooh. You see it? I'm scared.